Merry Christmas and happy holidays to our crypto family. I hope you're enjoying yourselves, but just a quick word of advice. If I were you, I'd be checking into the market at least occasionally because the crypto market never sleeps. And as per our latest research, there are 3 projects in particular, pretty much major blue chip projects, but that whales are especially picking up kind of as we enter this holiday season. We love these kind of metrics. We feel that accumulation is always a good indicator and always affects the future direction of the market. So let's get right into it. We're looking at 3 major crypto projects that whales are heavily accumulating this holiday season. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. All the best if you choose to invest. Just remember that I'm not a financial or investment advisor, and that means that this video is not official financial or investment advice. Altcoin Buzz Alpha would like to congratulate all of our members on a very profitable month of November 2023. During that time, Bitcoin rallied past $35,000 and is now hovering around $43,000. But on the 4th of November, we published an alpha report and mentioned these BTC targets. And because we had a clear target in mind, we planned our November strategy meticulously. And we not only achieved, but we surpassed all of our targets. Overall, we had 61% profit in BTC, 100% profit on 6 of our portfolio coins, 200% or 3x profit on our GEMS call, 3 to 5x profits from 4 IDOs, and $1,800 in profit on buy and sell calls. You can get access to all of this and still join Altcoin Buzz Alpha for only $15 a month. You can also get an 8% discount on yearly subscriptions. For more information, check out the link in the description below. So for number 1 here, we're looking at Ethereum, whose whales have been very busy over the last couple of weeks. Since beginning at less than $1,000, Ethereum has shown a steady upward trajectory over the course of these last few months and in 2023, recently crossing, of course, the $2,000 threshold. Now, findings by Ali Charts on X, formerly Twitter, indicate that major Ethereum whales have been on a pretty major binge, accumulating over 100,000 ETH in just the last week alone. That's worth a total, by the way, of $230 million. And other technical indicators are supporting this finding as well. For example, according to data from CryptoQuant, the Relative Strength Index, or the RSI, is neutral at 52, which suggests a balance between buying and selling pressure. Ethereum is down a little bit as I record, currently trading at $2,161. That's down 2.9% in the last 24 hours. But this is consistent with its weak performance really since last week, second week of December. However, Ethereum, with a market valuation of over $200 and now $59.3 billion, is still the second biggest cryptocurrency. Okay, as I mentioned, we're looking at blue chips today, and therefore Bitcoin has to be part of this list. Bitcoin, after all, is not an altcoin, but nevertheless, there's massive activity there that we want you to know about. Whales are actually going harder on Bitcoin than ever because they sense the imminent and upcoming bull market. And we always know that Bitcoin spearheads any new market cycle. So Bitcoin recently faced a pretty significant drop, moving from its high, locally at least, of $44,700, that was on the 8th of December, down to $40,555. However, on-chain data shows that institutional investors have seized the price drop in terms of the opportunity and have purchased a very substantial 13,010 BTC. That's worth about $533 million. It's a very large sum, and it shows that whales are confident in the future of this market. Now, most experts predict that the price of Bitcoin will return to the $50,000 range in the relatively short term. And the presence of large corporate investors, after all, anticipating the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF, is a major driving horse behind the positive sentiment which currently surrounds Bitcoin. We at Altcoin Buzz anticipate Bitcoin bulls are going to continue to accumulate and stay interested in BTC, really unless there's some kind of unforeseen and very significant obstacle to the approval of the spot ETF. But considering all things, it looks much more positive than negative right now. We have no reason to believe such a black swan event would occur. And the final major blue chip that we're looking at today is Cardano. Crypto analyst Ali observes that Cardano has seen heavy growth in the last few months. Ali actually noted that there has been a noticeable rise in large transactions specifically. So that is ADA transactions which exceed $100,000. And that spike was observed during the past 3 months. Adding to that, Ali also claims that the increase indicates increased institutional and whale interest in ADA, which, I'll say it again, often precedes price spikes. So, large whale transactions can lead to price increases, and the recent whale transactions on Cardano coincided with a noticeable increase in the market value of ADA. Cardano's trade value increased by 21.2% during the last 30 days, according to data from CoinMarketCap, marking an outstanding year-to-date climb of 62.53%. There are other altcoins also showing some good signs. One of them is Solana. Solana doesn't get as much credit as it should. To say that it's the comeback kid of 2023 is a cruel understatement. It's just had a terrific year. But some are beginning to realize its worth. So this is also kind of a notable or honorable mention here. Solana's also showing some great metrics recently. And so it should come as no surprise that retail traders are also noticing Solana's rise in popularity, given its incredible milestones and its recent achievements. In terms of transaction volume, Solana actually outperformed Ethereum scaling solutions like Optimism, ticker OP, and Polygon, Matic. Projects associated with Solana, such as the meme coin Bonk, B-O-N-K, are also enjoying massively impressive success. Solana's DeFi ecosystem has also hit a new yearly high, and we see it as only a matter of time before this project really achieves a new all-time high and blazes a new trail for itself. It just continues to impress.